Nalekisaki tango na ngai.
He says, Nalekisaki tango na ngai, I wasted my time.
Mpona kolinga nalingaki yo.
Mpona kolinga nalingaki yo. You know, the way I loved you.
Okomisaki ngai zoba na yo.
Okomisaki ngai zoba na yo. You know, you made me to be your fool. You know, you made me a fool. Nalandaka, because I used to follow you, so you thought that I was just a fool because I used to follow you. Di bebe nanga, my dear bebe,
Mama, Bongisaka, tango mosusu mwa maloba.
Bongisaka tango mosusu mwa maloba. You know, once in a while, you should actually be making things work. You should actually be taking initiative to make things out, to make things work. Monyokoli mpesi eleki. You know, there is too much suffering. Monyokoli is suffering. So I am suffering too much. There's too much suffering.
Di bebe mama.
Di bebe mama, you know. Mela sima, drink, but thereafter okanisaka mwana. Mela sima, okanisaka mwana. You know, okay, you can drink all you want, but thereafter you should think about it. You know, you should have a thought. Liboso ya kosundola ngai, before you abandon me, before you reject me, before you leave me. Na bampasi oyo ya mokili, with all the pain, with all the suffering in this world. So you should think a little bit before you let me go into this world that is full of pain and suffering. That is Dr. Nico. Mela sima.
Mela okanisaka mwana.
Mela okanisaka mwana. Mela sima. Mela okanisaka mwana. You know, okay, drink all you want, but after drinking, please do a little bit of thinking. And you know, there's the whole thing of Mwana, which means that the persona is treating this guy like he's immature, that he drinks but he doesn't think. Tells him, Mela sima okanisa mwana, drink, but after that, please have a thought. Why should he think? Liboso ya kosundola ngai, before you abandon me, before you reject me. Na bampasi oyo ya mokili, with the suffering in this world. Bebe, ngai yao. So it's me and me and me, It's just more musical, So this one is Kiswahili for unipe mama roho yako. You know, give me your heart. Nifurahi nayo penzi wangu, so that I can be very happy, my darling. Lakini sipende kuchelewa bure. Lakini do not be fond of coming very late for no reason. Unipe mama roho yangu. Nakwambia unipe, give me your heart, Nifurahi nayo mpenzi wangu, Lakini sipende kuchelewa bure, lakini do not be fond, you know, of coming back so much late, eh? 7. Associate somo. What a horrible friend or friendship.
Associate somo. Associate somo. Associate somo.
Unipe roho yako nifurahi nayo. Lakini sipende kuchelewa bure. Please give me your heart. Let me be happy. But you know what? Do not be fond of coming so late, of being so late, you know? Now remember to subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you very much for watching.